I have been mind blown by ChatGPT. It is the best AI I've ever used, and it's already changing the world by writing books that are being sold on Amazon. Yes, you heard it right. Let's get started. Summarizing. Ever had to read a lengthy article or a detailed report but didn't have the time? ChatGPT comes to the rescue. Head to chat.openai.com, paste that long document, and voila. In seconds, you've got a concise summary. Imagine having all the information you need at your fingertips without going through pages of content. Teach GPT, struggling with a new topic or subject. ChatGPT turns into your personal tutor, breaking down complex subjects into easy-to-understand lessons. Learning Photoshop, a new language, or even that tricky math problem has never been easier. And guess what? It can also grade your assignments, providing useful feedback and scores. Staying fit and healthy. ChatGPT is not just about academics or work, it cares about your health too. Looking to get fit? Ask ChatGPT for a detailed workout routine or a personalized meal plan that fits your nutritional needs. It can even generate shopping lists from your meal plan, helping you stay on track with your health goals. Cooking companion. And speaking of meals, are you tired of the same old dishes or don't know what to cook with the ingredients at home? ChatGPT can help. Just type in your ingredients and it will whip up a delicious and easy-to-follow recipe for you in seconds. Advice guru. Ever wished you had a friend who could give you balanced advice for any tricky situation? ChatGPT fills those shoes perfectly. Whether you need to handle a tricky roommate situation or need advice on how to approach your boss for a raise, ChatGPT provides you with thoughtful, measured advice. Original content creator. Last but not least, ChatGPT is your go-to buddy for content creation. Need to write a catchy Instagram caption, a funny alien-themed song, or an impressive cover letter? ChatGPT generates original, creative content that's sure to impress. There you have it. From summarizing lengthy documents to cooking assistance, from being your personal tutor to giving life advice, ChatGPT truly revolutionizes the way you handle tasks. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and with AI advancements, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.